In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore on Windows 10. If you've been experiencing issues with your computer and need to roll back to a previous state where everything was working smoothly, this guide is for you. Let's walk through each step clearly and patiently to ensure you get it right. First, we're going to search for recovery in your Windows search bar. Navigate to the lower left corner of your screen and click on the search icon. Type in recovery and you'll see a list of search results. Once you see recovery listed, go ahead and click on it to access the control panel. Now that we're in the recovery section, you'll want to click Open System Restore. This option allows you to restore your computer to a previous state without affecting your personal files, like documents or photos. Now once you click on Open System Restore, a new window will appear. Here you need to click Next. This will navigate you to a list of restore points. Think of these restore points as time capsules. Each one represents a point in time where your system was functioning correctly. Choose a restore point from the list provided, review them, and try to select a date and time that you're confident your system was running smoothly. Once you've made your selection, click Next again. Before proceeding, take a moment to review your selection. It's important to confirm that this is indeed the point you want to revert back to, because once the process begins, it can't be undone easily if no new restore point is created afterward. With your selection confirmed, click Finish. This action starts the restore process, during which Windows will take some time to make the necessary adjustments to your system. You might see your device restart during this process. Don't worry, this is completely normal. It's part of the process to ensure all changes are applied effectively. And there you have it. Your Windows 10 system should now be restored to the selected point. This should ideally resolve any lingering issues you've been experiencing on your PC. If all went well, you should notice an improvement in performance and functionality. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to restore on Windows 10. Remember, System Restore is a helpful tool for troubleshooting certain types of problems, and it's always a good idea to create restore points when your computer is running well, just to have a safety net for the future. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on managing your Windows device.